Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 6. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. From B she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? Here, if the distance if the distance if the distance towards east towards if the distance towards east is represented represented by a positive integer by a positive integer by a positive integer positive integer then the distance then the distance then the distance then the distance traveled traveled towards towards west distance traveled towards west will be represented by will be represented will be represented by a negative integer. Why? By a negative integer. A negative integer. Here you see, this is the east direction. This is the east direction. This is east and this is west. West is the opposite of east. That means if we take towards is positive integer, then you have to take on west side it will be negative integer, right? By which integer will you represent your final position from A? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Then you can say that final position from A is final position is final position from A final position final position final position final position from A is equal to towards east it goes 20 kilometer, that means plus 20 kilometer towards east, and towards west that is minus 30 kilometer towards west. That means we are getting minus 10 kilometer. Minus 10 kilometer means that is it will be in the 10 kilometer but in the west direction, right? That means from A the distance is 10 kilometer but towards west. Here from A point the position will be, suppose this is 10 kilometer, suppose this is 10 kilometer, this is 10 kilometer, but the direction will be west because it is negative. It is 10 kilometer, 10, it is 10 kilometer distance, right? Therefore final position from A is minus 10 kilometer. That means from A it is 10 kilometer towards west, right? Or you can write minus 10 kilometer, or you can write final position from A is 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer towards west, towards west, right? This is the solution of question number 6 of exercise 1.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.